Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Snacktivity Station. I'm Miss Sarah at the Franklin Public Library, and I have a fun snack for you to make today. Since Halloween was last week, I thought it would be really fun to do an English mummy pizza. So we're going to make a pizza that looks like a mummy. So let's go over what we need before we begin. We're going to need an English muffin, and you're gonna make sure you cut that in half. You're gonna need some pizza sauce, some black olives, and string cheese, and that's as much or as little as you like. So the first thing we wanna do before we get started is make sure you wash your hands. We always wash our hands before we start cooking. And then you're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 425 degrees. And you're also gonna need a baking pan. So I have all my ingredients out on my baking pan, so all the mess is right on here. So the very first thing you're gonna do is put some pizza sauce with a spoon onto your English muffin. Again, as much or as little as you like. And if you don't have pizza sauce, you might have tomato sauce. You can throw in some Italian seasoning, spices, if you don't have that lying around. There you have it. So that's the base. And then we're going to, string that string cheese. And this is what we're gonna use to make like the wrapping on that mummy. So we're gonna just pull it apart, and you're just gonna lay it across in like diagonal crisscross patterns so that our mummy has those white mummy wrappings on it. In whatever pattern you like. And then just do the same thing with the other one. And this is a really great snack lunch idea too. Probably do this with bagels. Or maybe pitas. Anything that's kind of round. All right, I think I have enough on there. So the next thing we're going to do is we're gonna use those black olives for the eyes. So you're just gonna need a couple of slices, and you're just gonna put them right in an open slot on top of the sauce. And now he has eyes. Just to kind of show you what it looks like. Hopefully you can see. Hold it up a little bit. There you go. So then we're gonna bake this at 425 degrees for like anywhere between 8 to 12 minutes. It kind of depends on how you like your English mummy pizzas to look. I like mine to still kind of show the little wrappings on their mummy. So if you want that, you're gonna wanna keep your eye on it and then take it out after like maybe 10 minutes, and then it'll look like this. The longer you leave it in, the more the cheese is gonna spread out. So let's go ahead and serve our English mummy pizzas. I got a plate right here, some string cheese. Woo. I'm gonna need these back. So this is a super easy snack to make. All right, so I got it right there. Put these over here on my pan. And then there you have an English mummy pizza. Hope you guys can see this. There you go, there you can see his eyes right there. So I hope you guys enjoy making this. It's a very easy, fun snack idea to make, or even for lunch. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time. Bye.